Just days after Jaswant Singh, one of the founding members of the BJP, now a big critique of the Modi government, his son quit the BJP and is all set now. That's the man on your screen, Manvendra Singh, all set to join the Congress party. Now, friction between Manvendra and the BJP leadership in Rajasthan had been on for a while. In fact, when Vasundhara Raje came out with her Gaurav Yatra, she skipped the constituency of Manvendra completely. In return, Manvendra also came out with his own yatra and called it a Swabhiman rally. Now, post that, he went out to even quit the party, and now we are getting news that he's all set to join the Congress. How will this impact the voter on the ground? Will he take away a good share of votes with him to the Congress's kitty? That's the big question. Also, how does it pan out when it comes to the caste dynamics on the ground, as he is said to be one of the key Rajput leaders as well? We'll find out all those answers with my colleague Harsha Kumari Singh joining us live now. Harsha, lots of twists and turns to this one, but in the end, you were saying that it's not a surprise really that this has happened, but will it damage the BJP or not? That remains to be the big question.
Well, yes, actually, that really is the question, because Manvendra is a popular Rajput leader of that area. Jaswant Singh was one of the big names of the BJP. He was denied a ticket in the 2013 elections, and that led to a lot of resentment among the Rajput community. Then after that, one or two more incidents have happened. The Anand Pal encounter, the release of the film Padmavat. These have become points for the Rajput community to mobilize and to raise their voice against the dispensation. So these kind of issues will definitely inform the election. In the last by-election in February, in Ajmer particularly, the Rajput vote that went against the BJP really cost them dearly. So these are some of the issues, and what Manvendra can do is, of course, damage the BJP. That's the larger strategy. Also, the fact that he's been asked to join the Congress now, just ahead of the assembly elections, is very important. That means he's definitely going to play some kind of a role in the elections coming up in Rajasthan now, just a month away.